Snack. So this is my fifth video on the YouTube. This video is based on the Flutter app. So what is Flutter? Flutter is like a open source and expressive mobile application framework for made by Google. So why we use Flutter? Because there are the many reasons, but the main motto of this Flutter is this is the Google UI toolkit for building beautiful and natively compiled applications like mobile, web and desktop from a single code base. So this basically helps developer to contribute more in the app UI and everything of purpose. The main thing of Flutter is the fast development, native component, expressive and flexible UIs and the native performance. Flutter can render 60 fps animation and anything on any app in every mobile and any devices. This app is based on the price list app. So the price list app, the main theme of this app is the managing the inventory system of a shopkeeper. So the app has a backend of Firebase. The Firebase I have chosen because this helps as this is not a fully database. This is like a database as service. So let's jump to the code. So this is the main part, main.dat file. This is the main part of our application, the entry point identifier, price list app, and this is the product listing page of this application. Product listing page. In this, we have a my home page, which is the layout of this page of this application. So this have the UI of the data coming from the stream builder. So the stream builder is like a stream of data. It has the data of streams, and again if I need, this is rendering a list view.builder upon which upon firestore.instance. Collection products and the snapshots is like a async snapshot, which is based on the query snapshot. Query snapshot is a document snapshot. So this is the new adding the any app or any database to the any product to the database. The product has a 4 category. Product is quantity and selling price and the nearest price. And then this is the update or delete. Crude action, basically any type of crude action is done by this app. This is the PDF page viewer app. It can generate PDF on basis on this stock management. So let's go to, let's add a product. I am adding Havells LED light. Quantity is let's say 40 and the price is 88 and the selling price is 150. Let's save the data. This will prompt custom dialog. This item is successfully added, and this is really a successfully added. So now if I see, this is have the drawer of sign in. This is signing basically from the Google sign in, and my name is Sonis, and from inheriting the Flux in a Cine and this app and home page. So Bajaj lamps Havells. Let's add more data like GM LED bulbs. Let's say quantity 44, cost price is 80, and let's say sell 150 and save. Item is successfully added. So item is successfully added. Now you can see this is developing a custom method, and this is basically, you can edit right through directly the LED lamp. And LED lamps you can edit Havells LED update. It can Havells LED. You can easily modify the data and easily modify the content of the application. After that, let's say selling price to 152 to 20. You can update, and this is in real time. Basically this is the Firebase feature. And if you want to edit or delete, let's have a delete component, and you can search the data by using this. You can search this. You can search by item, let's say Bajaj you can search it like there, and you can delete the data and cross the back button. You can see the PDF. Yes, this is the stock management. You can see stock, Bajaj LED lamps, LED lights, and quantity, cost price, and everything, selling price, stock management details. If you want to delete any data, like let's say I have delete, you can swipe delete, and even the snack bar item successfully has deleted, and everything component. Let's add more data. Let's add data like LED, CFL lamps, quantity 88, price 60, 78. Save. Item is successfully added. So CFL lamps is successfully added. You can edit the quantity of directly. Let's say I want to edit the 78. Save. You can edit. This item is edited. This is so much good. You can delete the item data like swapping everything. You can directly edit by this, doing this. You can edit. Thank you. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next time.